Welcome to our channel, everybody. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of astrology. I've always been fascinated by the Zodiac. It's so interesting how those constellations can tell us so much about ourselves. And today we're talking about a quality we could all use a little more of: patience. That's right, we're counting down the top 3 most patient Zodiac signs. These are the folks who never rush, who always take their time, and who can stay calm, cool, and collected, even when things get a little crazy. So, are you curious to find out if your sign made the list? Stick around because we're about to reveal all. First up, we have Taurus, the bulls of the Zodiac, born between April 20th and May 20th. These individuals are known for their strong, reliable, and steadfast nature. They are the epitome of stability and patience. Now you might think of bulls as being, well, a little impatient, right? Charging ahead, seeing red? But that's just a stereotype. In reality, Tauruses are far more composed and deliberate in their actions. But that's not the case with our Taurus friends. They embody a serene and calm demeanor that is often misunderstood. Their patience is their strength. Tauruses are known for their grounded, down-to-earth nature. They find joy in the simple pleasures of life, like a walk in the park or tending to a garden. Their connection to nature is profound and calming. They're like that comfy old sweater you just can't bear to throw away, always there to provide comfort and warmth, no matter the situation. They're all about stability, security, and taking things slow and steady. Whether it's planting flowers, taking a scenic drive, or organizing their home, they do it with a sense of purpose and calm. Imagine a Taurus trying to rush a delicious meal. Not gonna happen. They believe in savoring every moment, every bite, and every flavor. Cooking is an art form for them, a way to express love and care. They savor every bite, appreciate every flavor, and take their sweet time enjoying the experience. This approach to life extends beyond food. It's how they handle everything. That's the Taurus way, and honestly, it's something we could all learn from. Their ability to find peace and contentment in the present moment is truly inspiring. And you know what? This patience makes them incredibly loyal and reliable friends and partners. They are the ones who will stand by you through thick and thin, offering unwavering support. They're the ones you can always count on, no matter what. Their loyalty is unmatched, and their support is steadfast. They're not going to make any rash decisions or jump to conclusions. Every choice they make is well thought out and considered from all angles. They're in it for the long haul. Whether it's a relationship, a project, or a personal goal, Tauruses are committed and dedicated. Tauruses are also known for their determination. They have a quiet strength that drives them to achieve their goals, no matter how challenging. When they set their minds to something, they're like a dog with a bone. They won't let go until they've seen it through to the end. They'll just keep going and going until they achieve their goals. Their focus and perseverance are truly remarkable. And because they're so patient, they don't get discouraged easily. They understand that success takes time and are willing to put in the effort. They know that good things take time. Whether it's a plant growing or a project coming to fruition, they have the patience to see it through. So, if you're a Taurus, be proud of your incredible patience. It's a gift, my friend. Embrace it and let it guide you through life's challenges. And if you have a Taurus in your life, give them a big hug and thank them for being so wonderfully patient. Their presence is a true blessing, bringing stability and peace to those around them. Next up, we have Virgo, the meticulous minds of the Zodiac, born between August 23rd and September 22nd. These individuals are known for their analytical prowess and their ability to see the world through a lens of precision and order. Now, Virgos are often associated with being perfectionists, and while that's definitely true, it's their patience that allows them to achieve those high standards. They have an innate ability to focus on the minutiae without losing sight of the bigger picture. Virgos are like the master chefs of the Zodiac. Just as a chef meticulously prepares each dish, ensuring every ingredient is perfectly measured and every step is followed to the letter, Virgos approach life with the same level of dedication and care. They approach every task with careful planning, attention to detail, and a methodical approach. Whether it's organizing their day, planning a project, or even arranging their home, Virgos leave no stone unturned. They're not going to rush through anything. Their patience is their strength, allowing them to work through challenges and obstacles with a calm and steady hand. They'd rather take their time and get it right the first time. This meticulous nature ensures that their work is of the highest quality, and they take great pride in their accomplishments. Imagine a Virgo baking a cake. The process is almost meditative for them, They'll follow the recipe to the letter, measuring every ingredient precisely, and making sure the oven temperature is just right. Each step is executed with precision and care, and they'll do it all with a calm and collected demeanor that would make even the most stressed-out baker envious. Their ability to remain composed under pressure is truly remarkable. This analytical nature and dedication to perfection make Virgos incredibly patient teachers and mentors. They have a natural ability to break down complex concepts into understandable parts. They're the ones who will happily explain something over and over again until you understand it completely. Their patience knows no bounds when it comes to helping others learn and grow. They want to see you succeed, and they're willing to put in the time and effort to help you get there. Their dedication to others is a testament to their generous and caring nature. Virgos are also known for their practicality and their ability to see the bigger picture. They can balance the details with the overall goal, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. They're not going to get bogged down in the details or let their emotions cloud their judgment. Their logical approach allows them to navigate even the most complex situations with ease. They'll take a step back, assess the situation, and come up with a logical and well-thought-out plan. This ability to strategize and plan makes them invaluable in both personal and professional settings. So if you're a Virgo, embrace your inner patience superhero. Your meticulous nature and unwavering patience are your greatest assets. It's a superpower that will serve you well in all aspects of your life. From your career to your personal relationships, your patience and attention to detail will help you achieve great things. And if you have a Virgo in your life, be sure to thank them for their thoughtfulness, their attention to detail, and their unwavering patience. Their presence is a gift that brings order and calm to the chaos of everyday life. And finally we have Capricorn, the ambitious climbers of the Zodiac, born between December 22nd and January 19th. These individuals are often seen as the go-getters, the ones who are always striving to reach the top, no matter how steep the climb. Now Capricorns are known for their discipline, their ambition, and their unwavering determination to succeed. Whether it's in the boardroom or on the field, they are always pushing themselves to be the best they can be. But what really sets them apart is their incredible patience. This isn't just the ability to wait, it's the ability to stay calm and composed, even when things aren't going their way. Capricorns are like the marathon runners of the Zodiac. They understand that success is not a sprint but a long-distance run that requires endurance and resilience. They know that achieving their goals takes time, effort, and a whole lot of patience. They are meticulous planners, always thinking several steps ahead. They're not afraid of hard work, and they're willing to put in the long hours to reach the finish line. Their work ethic is second to none, and they take pride in their ability to stay focused and diligent. Imagine a Capricorn working on a long-term project. They approach it with a sense of purpose and determination that is truly inspiring. They'll break it down into smaller, more manageable tasks, set realistic deadlines, and create a detailed plan to ensure they stay on track. And then, they'll chip away at it day after day, week after week, month after month. Their consistency is remarkable, and it's one of the key reasons they are so successful. They're not going to get sidetracked or discouraged. Even when faced with obstacles, they remain focused and determined. They have their eyes on the prize, and they're going to get there, one patient step at a time. This methodical approach ensures that they make steady progress towards their goals. This patience and persistence make Capricorns natural-born leaders. They have the ability to inspire and motivate others with their unwavering dedication. They inspire others with their work ethic, their dedication, and their ability to stay calm and collected under pressure. In times of crisis, they are the ones who keep a level head and guide the team to success. They're the ones you want on your team when you need to get things done. Their reliability and commitment make them invaluable assets in any group setting. Capricorns are also known for their practicality and their sense of responsibility. They are grounded individuals who always have a realistic view of what can be achieved. They're not going to make promises they can't keep. Their word is their bond, and they take their commitments very seriously. And they're always willing to lend a helping hand. Whether it's offering advice or stepping in to assist with a task, you can count on a Capricorn to be there for you. They're the friends you can always rely on, no matter what. Their loyalty and dependability make them cherished companions. So, if you're a Capricorn, give yourself a pat on the back for your incredible patience. It's a quality that not everyone possesses, and it's something to be proud of. It's a quality that will take you far in life. Your ability to stay the course, no matter how challenging, is a testament to your strength and character. And if you have a Capricorn in your life, be sure to show them your appreciation for their hard work, their dedication, and their unwavering patience. They truly are the goal-getters with grit, and they deserve all the recognition they can get. Well, that's our countdown of the top 3 most patient zodiac signs. Did your sign make the cut? Even if it didn't, remember that patience is a virtue we can all cultivate. It's about taking a deep breath, trusting the process, and knowing that good things take time. If you enjoyed this astrological adventure, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more cosmic insights. And don't forget to share this video with your patient pals. Until next time, keep shining bright.